Okay, so we're going to be completing question 1 of May-June 2020, paper 3, version 1. So question 1A. In a particular computer system, real numbers are stored using floating point representation with 10 bits for the mantissa, 6 bits for the exponent, and 2's complement form for both mantissa and exponent. So here we're asked to calculate the normalized floating point representation of positive 192.5 in this system. And it says here, show your working. So our first step is that we're going to convert positive 192.5 in binary. So the way we're going to do this is just convert it to binary. So here we just do 256 128 64 32 16 8421. Okay, and now we just convert 192.5 in binary, so we can, oh sorry, this is negative 256 because it says 2's complement, so yeah. And first we put a 1 in 128, and then to get 192.5 we have to get 64. We have to add 64, and oh yeah, I also forgot to put the 0.5, 0.25. Yeah, and then we also have to add a 0.5, so that will also have a 1 there. And we just add zeros in the remaining columns. Okay, so now we have our basic binary conversion. So now it's going to look something like this with 6 zeros, 0.1. Okay, so we have this, but now this is not normalized. So in order to normalize the number, we have to shift this decimal point in between the first 0 and that second 1 over there. So, and also when it's a normalized number, the first 2 bits have to be different. So yeah, to do this, you move the decimal point, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this case, we moved the decimal point 8 places to the left. So it will now become 0.11 with 6 zeros and a 1 here. Okay, now we've done that, we have to make sure that we calculate the exponent, right? So we moved the decimal point 8 places to the left. So now to convert this number into this, we have to have an exponent. So that would be 8 places to the right to go from here to here. So we just convert 8 into binary for the exponent. So that would just be, remember it's in 6 bits, so here would be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, this would be 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Yeah. So that would be a 1 in the 8th column and the zeros in everywhere else. So yeah, that's basically how you convert 192.5 into this. You have your mantissa here and your exponent. So we can just go ahead and put the numbers in here. So and yeah, this is your final answer for 192.5 into the floating point representation. So you get a mark for converting 192.5 in binary, and then you get a second mark for calculating the exponent and shifting, the point 8 places to the left. And your final mark would just be from your final answer. So yeah, that's how you get all the 3 marks. So we converted binary, we did the exponent and we got our final answer. So that's how you get 3 out of 3 on that question.